Welcome back to the Ocean Cadillac YouTube channel, and for today's video we are going to be going for a drive in the 2026 Cadillac Vistiq. So let's go ahead and get to a drive. Starting with the interior of this 2026 Vistiq Premium Luxury, it has a row of 3 seats, 2 in the very back, 2 in the middle, and of course your driver and passenger seat. And this interior for this specific one is a beautiful blue color, and it also has the black accents along with the wood paneling here on the door. In the second row, you have the ability to have your heated seats for both the left side and the right side, and for the third row as well. And you can also control the AC in both the third row and the second row here from the screen. For the driver's side, on the door you have the option for AC controlled seats and 2 different options for your heated seats. You have an option just for the top of the seat, and you have the option for both the top and the bottom of the seat. The same goes for the passenger side. On the screen down below here, you have all of your AC control, and you can also control all of the rows. So of course your front row, your second row, and of course your third row as well. And you have the option to control the airflow from both the front row, the second row, and the third row. Up here on your screen behind the steering wheel, you have all of your different options for your Cadillac. You have your vehicle status, your drive modes, which you can pick what option you are in. You have your Tour, Sport, and Snow and Ice, and you have an option to customize your own mode. You also have the My Cadillac app, Play Store, your charging status, camera settings. You can put on some ambient lighting, auto park assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, audio, Google Maps, phone controls, news, Google Assistant, and Apple Music just for your home screen. And of course you have your Bluetooth, and that is all available here on that screen. Off to the left side of that screen, you can have your gauge, you can see your energy, your map versus the map being over here. You can have it so it's just behind the steering wheel. You have your assist, and you also have the night vision option, which it is daytime right now, so we don't really need the night vision, but as you can see, there it is, which you obviously will use at night. On the gauge option, if you go ahead and click the arrow to the left, you have the option to change the gauge to the Tour or the Sport, depending on what you are in when you have selected the drive mode. Up top here, you also all have your sunroof controls. You also have your OnStar, your SOS, and your flashers, and it tells you your passenger airbag status. So let's go ahead and open up that sunroof. And as you can see, the sunroof goes all the way back just behind the second row. Not quite reaching the third row, but just about. Here on the steering wheel, you also of course have all your phone buttons and your music and volume buttons to the right. And here on the left, you have your heated steering wheel and your cruise control. Now let's go ahead and check out this trunk space. As you can see, this is the amount of trunk space you have when the third row is completely up. So we're gonna go ahead and put that down so you guys can see the space. We do already have the second row down, but that is how much space you get with this Vistiq, which is quite a lot of room with all the seats down. You also have a side compartment here, as well as another large compartment down here as well. This Cadillac Vistiq Premium Luxury is all black, but it does come with a bunch of chrome accents as well as chrome wheels, which just gives it that ultra luxurious feel and look to the car. If you're interested in any Vistiq or this 2026 Vistiq Premium Luxury, we do have it available now here at Ocean Cadillac, which you can either give us a call or you can come in person to our dealership to inquire. We want to thank you guys again for watching our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and also make sure that you guys go ahead and check out our Instagram. But again, we want to thank you for watching the video, and we will see you in the next one.